Hey Devils, and today we are doing a requested video on cells. I've actually had a few requests from this person because she said that she knows how to promote my videos. She's a friend of mine from when we used to go to school together, and she's gonna ask her teacher if she can play some videos in like science class or something. So she's requested this and many other topics, so I'm gonna go ahead and do them. Oh, hi Bruno. Sorry, my dog just walked in. So this picture is taken straight out of the book that I'm using, and in this section we're going to learn about a typical animal cell. Cells have structures in them. These are called subcellular structures. In an animal cell, the subcellular structures inside include a nucleus, which controls the activities of the cell and contains the genetic material, cytoplasm, in which most of the chemical reactions take place, a cell membrane, which controls the passage of substances in and out of the cell, mitochondria, where aerobic respiration takes place, someone correct me in the comments, I can't pronounce it, ribosomes, once again, please tell me, where proteins are synthesized, aka made. It's the only thing I hate about science. The words are so damn hard to pronounce. On to plant cells, and I have googled how to pronounce half the stuff now. Plant cells and algal cells contain all the subcellular structures found in animal cells. They also have a cell wall made of cellulose, pretty sure that's how it said it, which strengthens the cell, a permanent vacuole filled with cell sap, which supports the plant. Plants need to make their own food, so some of the cells contain chloroplasts. Chloroplasts absorb light to make food, glucose, by photosynthesis. Three key points that you're going to want to note down on things that I have done and what I'm going through. So, not all plant cells have chloroplasts. For example, they are not present in root cells because those cells do not receive any light. Carotic cells are much simpler in structure than eukaryotic cells. That is why scientists think that they developed before eukaryotic cells. Plasmids have become very useful to scientists. They allow genes to be inserted into bacteria in genetic engineering. Carotic and eukaryotic cells. There are two main types of cell, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Plant, animal and fungal cells are all eukaryotic. Bacterial cells are prokaryotic. There are a number of differences between the two types of cell. Prokaryotic cells are much smaller in size, and the genetic material is not enclosed in a nucleus. The genetic material is a single DNA loop, and there may be one or more small rings of DNA called plasmids. They do not contain mitochondria or chloroplasts. A typical bacterial cell, and I'm pretty sure that'll be the last thing we go through in this video, so listen closely. Bacterial cells have many different shapes. Some are round, some are rod-shaped, and some are spiral, but they are all prokaryotic cells. In bacterial cells, the roles of mitochondria and chloroplasts are taken over by the cytoplasm. There may be one or more flagella, which are tail-like structures that move the bacterium. Plasmids are present, which are loops of DNA that can be transferred from one cell to another. Plasmids allow bacterial cells to move genes from one cell to another. Oh, and here is a diagram if you want to pause here of bacterial cell, and here for the next bit it will be examples of what shape bacteria can be. Credits, you know the drill. Thank you to whoever I stole the pictures from, and Thank you to the makers of the AQA GCSE Revision Combined Science Trilogy, Collins book. And thank you to the person who requested this video and a couple others that I'm going to make as soon as I can, because I have realised that I have something important going on today. But I won't say a name due to privacy reasons, but love you, bestie.